So today I have decided to cook ugali, and ugali will go together with kales. These are the kales that I'm harvesting that I will use to eat together with ugali. And I will also include the pumpkin leaves so that the taste can be real natural. Yeah, of course, it has to be. This is me. Cheers and wait for the lunch. Welcome. Where are the... This is a garden.